Kev G with a weather overview. I think we'll get away with one more day. I think Noah has the right idea, just based on the latest trends and the radar and the upper air situation. It all has to come together to make it for any substantial rain. So today will just be mainly cloudy. It looks like with temperatures around 60, not really going much in the way up or down in the temperature department. This is where we should be this time of year, and then we'll get into some soaking rain for tomorrow night, mainly tomorrow night, but much of Tuesday is going to be very raw and drizzly and have some light rain. And it's all due to the fact that we have this slow moving upper level low that's going to move up the coast. And in springtime, you have a lot of slow moving storm systems that do tend to linger around and just, they just kind of make the weather very stagnant for a couple days. So I think that's what we're looking at. And then for late week, we get into the warmer temperatures. So this is Noah. Like them on Facebook and Twitter. Let's go to Intellicast. Now, if you look at the radar, it looks like any minute now, we're going to have some rain moving in. But the fact is that the upper atmosphere is very dry. A lot of this rain is not going to reach the ground until the evening time tonight. And even then, it'll be very, very light rain. I think the theme of the next 24 to 36 hours is that rain breaks out in the evening. It starts to get a little bit heavier and heavier as we go through the day on Tuesday, and then we get into some soaking rain on Tuesday night into the earliest part of Wednesday, especially for the city and points east. So we'll take a look. Here's the GFS. This is off of Tropical Tidbits. They are a site that has all these models, these wonderful models, and when they're right, they're wonderful. But anyway, so this is the main theme. We don't have a lot of rain today, if at all. Tuesday we start out with rain in the light, very light to moderate variety, and then by Tuesday night we get into the soaking rain, and you can see that the model is favoring areas to the east of New Jersey, New York City, Long Island. I think that the city and points east, Long Island and Connecticut, will easily get a solid inch of rain, perhaps an inch and a half. It'll come down heavy at times, so if you're planning on going to the ball game tomorrow night at Citi Field, that game may be washed out. That's when I think the heaviest rain will be, Tuesday night. And then this system moves out by early Wednesday, but it's very slow. Its influence still exerts itself over our region for Wednesday. So we're mainly cloudy on Wednesday with perhaps some light rain and drizzle at times, but it's not as, we don't have any soaking rain to deal with like we do on Tuesday night. And then we warm up and we have temperatures that'll be running well above normal for Thursday through much of the weekend with very few rain chances to deal with. I think that any rain chances to deal with will come probably on Sunday, but even then I wouldn't count on any sort of a washout. It may get unsettled for early next week, but the main theme after Wednesday is rising temperatures every single day. If we take a look at Weather Underground, yeah, we have a shot at mid-80s on Saturday. That's quite balmy for this time of year. If that actually happens, we'll be well over 20 degrees above normal. So once we get through the midweek murkiness, we should set ourselves up for a solid warm spell over the upcoming weekend as we head into the early part of May.